We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Spanish tennis player. We'll be looking at how to say more names from tennis. There are too many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you say his name? For reference, in Spanish it is said as Carlos Alcaraz, Carlos Alcaraz. In Spanish, the Z letter, the Z letter at the end, is said a bit like TH in English with your tongue between your teeth. Alcaraz, Carlos Alcaraz. So, in English, Carlos Alcaraz, or Alcaraz. But yeah, you can just replace the Z with an S rather than a Z. I think it sounds a bit better. Carlos Alcaraz. Carlos Alcaraz, from Spanish, Carlos Alcaraz. And now, you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.